Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an outreach agent in N8N. So it's going to be a very tricky one. You can say it's not that much tricky, but yeah, it's going to be a complex one. So you have to look carefully which code you have to use in which node. It's going to be a very long video, that's why I have shown it. Like, you have to pause it and you just write it down and then you can start playing the video again. Okay, so firstly we will, for the testing purpose, we are making it we start with manual trigger, and we have already the list of the people that we have scraped from the Apollo. Okay, so that script contains all of the people that we want to outreach. So after that, after collecting all the names, we are going to the filter one. In filter one, we are going to filter each and everything, like what is the email of the person, what is LinkedIn URL, what is the headline, what is the title, what is the organization, what is the name of the organization. This has to be filtered out using the filter node. Okay, organization URL, and in the it is not empty. Okay, and convert has to be off. Okay, after that we want to use the URL, okay, which we have found it. Okay, so we want to get the information on the website URL. Okay, so this is the JSON that we will use. Okay, on the name you can place yours, and the description that we build automations, we build apps, and email you can place. Okay, so include response, headers and status have to be off. After that we are going to get the website. Okay, but we do not want the whole website. Okay, we have to remove the HTML of the homepage because we do not want that homepage. So that's why we are using this code here. Okay, I also did so many mistakes in this code, so you have to just pause it and take it out and then again. Okay, and we are getting other pages on the website using the code. After that we will combine all of it using the combine code node, and then we will analyze it. Okay, and in the prompt you can write that your assistant whose task of finding at least 5 important URLs from given input to make a good proposal. Okay, basically we are finding the URL for the proposals. Okay, because when you go on to some website and you find some of the defaults and then you write an email, a personalized email, that this is what you are missing, then it's higher chances of getting open. So that's why I have used this. Okay, after that we have to again code this thing. Okay, we have gotten our URL, we have analyzed it, and then we want it to be like mapped out wholly. Okay, after that we will split it out. Okay, and whenever you find that this particular note that you don't know, okay, what did this mean, and you are just wanted to explore more, you have to click on the docs and it will be opened into like this. Okay, so it's basically split out is we will go for the example, a list of customers, and you want to split them so that you can have item for each customers. Okay, so that's why we are using this node. After getting all the URL, we're splitting it out into the table, as you can see in the right hand side, the output. Okay, after that we are again we have split it out. Okay, so the 5 URLs, now we want to scrape the data from the website. Now firstly we are analyzing the website, now we are actually scraping the data and make a personalized report out of it. Okay, so that's it. Okay, this is the function that we have tested. Okay, after that we are going to aggregate it. Okay, aggregate means you can again go to the docs and you can check what does it mean. Okay, I have not used many notes, you can say I've used the basic ones. Okay, here you can see that use the aggregator node to take separate items. Firstly we have split it out, then we have scraped the data, now we want to aggregate all of it because we want to make our structures. Okay, then we again have to remove the HTML homepage because it is not that much of usage. Okay, after that we are going to remove the duplicates. Okay, what does it mean? That whenever information comes, there is a lot of information which is repeated, so for that we are using that. Okay, then we are analyzing the company needs. Okay, like what is the You can see here the prompt: analyze the company's data and extract only verified information. Okay, it does not have to be a random information that the AI makes. So that's why here I have given the prompt. Okay, company name, branding, company history and founders, mission strategies, core values, mission statement and future goals. Okay, and industry served and target audience, we have to know all of it. Okay, because we are making a very personalized outreach. Okay, because it's always says that more personalized it is, you will get more and more responses. Okay, so there's the two output. Okay, the prompt has to be like what is the data, what it has to extract, and what is the format. Okay, output format and additional format. Okay, additional information you can say. Okay, additional instructions: for any detail that is not implicit provided in the text, simply state not qualified. Okay, okay, and in this prompt we have clearly mentioned what we wanted, and here is remove duplicate text, which I have already told you what it is. Okay, after that we will analyze it. Okay, analyzing the data. So here, if we have to analyze what is the industries they have served, what is the target customers, and additional instruction, and this. Okay, budget what they want. Okay, and what is the model. You can choose whichever model you use, but for this kind of stuff I prefer Foro Mini, because Foro is quite expensive and Foro Mini also does the same work. That's why we're using Foro Mini here. Yeah, so we have analyzed the company and we have known that what is the offer that we have to make. So we have also analyzed it. Okay, and this simply output has to be on. Okay, after that we will remove duplicate text again, because as I saw there's a many things that will be coming out that you will not be needing in the particular thing. Okay, so we are analyzing process and differentiation. Okay, firstly we have to give a prompt which has to be fixed. The analyze should cover operational workflows, describe any internal process systems or methodologies of the company. Okay, automation and technology use, what are the tools that use, what is efficiency, what is the process evolution. Okay, and what is the complication, partnerships, ecosystem, how they work, what is the output format, what is the additional information that we have to give. And in the prompt we have signified that analyze offering. Okay, analyze offering and process and differentiation. Okay, then we again have signified what is the prompt. Okay, and this is a proof of success. Okay, this is the node that you have to manage and keep it fully functional. Okay, message a model. Okay, you have to use, and in this we will writing it out that what is the thing that we want to write it out to the client. Okay, case studies and outcomes, metrics, KPIs, certifications. So these are the things that we will be needing. Okay, it has to be factual, concise, in clear paragraphs. Okay, do not use bullet points. So what is the format that you want the client to have? Okay, so now we are playing it and now we are testing it out if it works whole as a whole, if it works or not. Okay, you can change as you like in whichever place you feel like this is not correct. And I give you a pro tip that if you somewhere you find that this is not working well, I have added the same code, then use the chat GPT and show that this is what I've written, is it where it is wrong. Okay, and it will guide you through. Okay, so yeah, we have tested that out and it's working well, which is like very good, because it takes 2-3 days to make this kind of agents and work it. And in the integration of the clients workflows, it is even harder. So yeah, that's it from my side for today, and I hope that this will help you do outreach as much as you can, like more than you can do manually. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want a very detailed explanation of why this code has been used, so do give it a like and do comment in the comments that yes, you want a long video. So I will be making that, and I will be making more and more videos related to what agents you should use, because I'm also making agents which can benefit me, okay? Because like I'm always making for the clients, but I recently started making for myself, like outreaching agent, what is the content creation agent, appointment setting for myself, and all of this kind of stuff. So thank you so much for watching this part. I hope you will find some value in it, and yeah, do like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want the whole video, you can just comment it out. Thank you.